Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the gaming review of Honor 10. Firstly, here I'll be playing Tekken and the initial temperature is about 35. Let's see how this game performs.
I walk my own path. Get ready for the next battle. Fight. KO. I walk my own. Get ready for the next battle. Fight. KO. I walk my own path.
As you can see, the gameplay has been flawless and there are no frame drops during the gameplay, and temperature raised to a maximum of 40, which makes the device warm, but that is nothing to be worried about. Next, I'll be playing Asphalt and the initial temperature is 37. Let's see how well this game performs. Again, the gameplay is very smooth and there are no frame drops whatsoever, and the temperature raised to a maximum of 38, so there are no heating issues with the Honor 10. To sum it up, the overall gaming performance and also the thermal performance of the Honor 10 is very impressive, which is something we come to expect from a phone that's priced at 33,000 rupees. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.